In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a post in Reddit. First, make sure you're signed into your Reddit account in your web browser. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top of the Reddit homepage. On the upper right side of the screen, you'll see a button labeled Create. This is the main entry point for starting a new post. Go ahead and click on that Create button. When you do, Reddit will open a new post editor window or panel. This is where you'll put together everything for your post. Take a moment to let it load and make sure you can see all the options clearly. At the top of the editor, choose where you want to post. You can pick one of the communities you're a member of or type in the name of a subreddit in the search bar and select it from the list. It's important to choose a subreddit that fits the topic of your post and to be aware that each community will have its own rules about what you can and cannot post. Once you've chosen the right community, move down to the title field. This is where you type the headline for your post. Make your title clear and specific so people immediately understand what your post is about. Avoid using clickbait and try to include relevant keywords that match your topic. Below the title, you'll see options for the type of post you want to create. Depending on the subreddit, you might see choices like text post, image, link, or poll. Select the format that best fits what you're trying to share. For a text post, you'll have a larger text box where you can write your content. Take your time here. Explain your idea, ask your question clearly, or share your story in an organized way. Use paragraphs to keep it readable. If you're adding images or links, make sure they are working correctly and relevant to your title and description. Some communities also let you add tags or flares to describe the kind of post you're making. Use these when available to help users understand your content at a glance. Before you publish, scroll through your post and quickly proofread it. Check for spelling, clarity, and that it follows the subreddit rules. When you're happy with everything, look for the Post button at the bottom of the editor and click it. Reddit will upload your content to the chosen community and your new post will be live.